Good morning all of you. I am Ashok Kumar Misra. Today is going to solve the question answer of chapter 1, that is the number system of class 7. Last class I have discussed the details of number system, and so today first questions answer, objective answer. Fill in the blanks. The base of binary number system is, answer is 2. And second, the base of decimal number system, base of dash system is 10. So answer is decimal number system. And third, octal number system consists of dash digit, answer is 8. And fourth, in binary numbers addition 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. And fifth, dash number system is understood by the computer system, that is binary. And 6 questions. Dash uses 16 symbols to represent, that is the hexadecimal. And 7, in binary subtraction 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And last one, the second one is statement true false. You cannot perform arithmetical operation of a binary number. Answer is false. Answer is false. False. And second is the decimal number system consists of a 10 digit, that is 0 to 9. A statement is true. Third question is the method to perform the division to two binary numbers is not same to as that the decimal number system. Answer is false. And fourth, 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. A statement is true. And fifth, Charles Babbage introduced the concept of 0. That is false. The number used in octal number system is 1 to 7. So here is details of objective, that is the fill in the blanks. Answer is, first answer is 2, second is decimal number, third is 8, fourth is 10, fifth is binary, 6 is hexadecimal, and 7th is 0. In true false, first is false, second true, third false, fourth true, fifth false, sixth false. And the second section is the MCQ. Dash introduced the concept of 0. Who has introduced the concept of 0? Answer is Aryabhat. And second, a dash converts decimal number systems, converts the decimal format into binary equivalent. Answer is digital computer. And a computer understands only the binary codes. Answer is binary. And fourth, in binary multiplication, 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. And to convert decimal numbers into binary number, divide the number by 2. So MCQ is here. First answer is Aryabhat, second is digital computer, third is the binary, fourth is 1, and fifth is 2. And here is some question answer. Yes. Okay. What is the number system, and name the different type of the number system. A system for representing, that is the express or writing a number of certain types of certain type is called number system. Their types are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Second question is, what are the rules to convert a decimal number system into binary number system? The rules are: divide the given decimal number by with the base 2, and second, write down the remainder and divide the quotient by 2. And repeat step 2 till the questions is 0. And third question is, what are the rules to multiply the two binary number? Answer is, the rules to multiply of two binary numbers is 0 multiply 0 is 0, and 0 is multiplied by the 1 is 0, and 1 is multiplied by the 0 is answer is 0, and 1 is multiplied by the 1 is 1. And question number 4, briefly explain the octal number system. The octal number systems consist of 8 digits, that is 0 to 7, with the base is 8. The concept of number system, the concept of octal number system comes from the Native Americans, as they used to count number by using the space between their fingers rather than using their fingers. The procedure of the octal to decimal is similar to the binary to decimals. The only difference is the change of base. For example, 345 is octal number system, so convert into 3 into 8 to the power 2, and plus 4 plus 8 to the power 1, and plus 5 into 8 to the power 0. 3 into 8 square is equal to 64, plus 4 into 8 to the power 1 is equal to 8, plus 5 into 8 to the power is equal to 1. So 192 plus 32 plus 5 is equal to 229. So 345, which is octal number system, if you convert into decimal number system, the answer is 229. And question number 5. What do you understand by the hexadecimal number system? Hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digit, that is 0 to 9, and letter A to F, where A to F represent 10 to 15, 10 to 15, with their base 16. This number is known as hex. Hex means 6, and decimal means 10, so it is called hexadecimal. And to convert a hexadecimal number system to decimal number system, multiply by the number with the base 16, and 3b, which is hexadecimal number system. So if you convert 3 into 16 to the power 1 plus 11 into 16 to the power, because value of b is 11, so 3 into 16 to the power 1, that is the 48, and 11 into the power 16 to the power 0 is equal to 1, and 11 into 1 is equal to 1, that is the 59. So 3b, which is hexadecimal system, if you convert into decimal number system, 59 is base 10. So this is all the questions of the class 8 chapter 1, that is the number system. So thank you, have a nice day.